how to change name servers in GoDaddy. So the first thing that we need to do is log into our GoDaddy account, then simply click on your name in the top right corner. Now here we will select the option for My Products, and we want to focus on our domains here. So find the domain for which you want to change the name server and just click on DNS. This is going to load up a new page like so, and you should be able to see name servers here in the third slot. Once selected, it's going to show up all of our name servers, and if we want to change any, we'll click on this black button, change name servers, and you will get the GoDaddy name servers which are recommended, or you can check this option and use your own name servers. So name server 1, name server 2, and you can also add more here. Or if you need to, you can delete any by clicking on the trash can icon next to them. And that's basically it. That's how you change name servers in GoDaddy. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.